Aha! Ay, 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 ay. Leave Jesus, I am. Everybody say, ay, ay, hallelujah. Jesus, I am. Elu, 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 elu. Ule Jesus, elu, 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 elu. Ule Jesus, elu.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute that we did a makeup tutorial. Yeah, so that's what we have today. It's a makeup tutorial. Anyways, I said I brows first. These were the days when I used to do brows first. Actually, I filmed this tutorial 2018. So a number of things have changed in my style of doing makeup, but then it's still very valid. I did her brows first. She had really scanty brows, especially towards the tail, so I just gave her more tail. I gave her brows more tail. And then the concealing, obviously lighter color under the brows, shade on top of the brows. I went in with the P. Louise base. I should have gone in with number 5, but then I went in with number 3. I'm using the Huda Beauty palette. You guys already know the drill. You know, transition first with a lighter color, blend it out, add a darker color or probably the same shade just to deepen it. Anyway, like the whole point is to transition from lighter to dark. And then I went in with black because I wanted it to be a bit darker. So the more you actually blend out the black, it shows as a deeper wine. I don't know if you guys understand me, but then yeah. So I'm cutting a crease, but then not too like shoom. I'm just cutting it mildly. Yeah, so I just needed the eyeshadow to stick to something, because if I put it straight on a lid, it won't have stuck. So now I'm going in with a darker eyeshadow to just clean up the transition. That way it makes it look even more multi-dimensional. So liner, lashes, you know the drill. Guys, moving on to our skin, I'm moisturizing with Cetaphil oil-free moisturizer, and then I went in with Juba mattifying primer. I went in on just a T-zone because I didn't want it to be too matte. And then obviously I went in with Zaron foundation. This beauty blender is by Ruby Light Cosmetics, guys. It is soft, like nah, it's B. You guys should check it out. So yeah, foundation, highlighter, contouring. Yeah, I'm going to just stop talking right now. Yeah. So I decided to cream contour because obviously I was going for a bridal look, and most times on my brides I always cream contour because obviously their face is snatched for longer than if you just use powder on the surface. From sweating and all those things, it takes it off a bit. So I always cream contour on my bride, so I decided to cream contour on her. Both our cheeks, forehead, chin and nose.
Broken inside, I feel I've lost my sanity. I don't believe in happy endings. Bottle my pride and hope you'd still love me in the end. Didn't want to leave your arms, but I feel like you wouldn't. You left my soul to starve. I don't believe I'm the one. Ooh, I can't show that I'm hurting. You can't know that I'm worried. I gave up in a hurry just to know I'm safe. Love is a fire and I'm burning. You are the flame, I need mercy. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you to go.
So I I decided to impute a color from my eyeshadow for the colors underneath the eyes. I went in with a blue pencil. It wasn't as intense as I wanted, so I went in with this liquid eyeshadow. Is by Stila Cosmetics. It's pretty expensive, but then there are several dupes. I know ColourPop has some and Milani has some, so it just intensified the eyelids without it being like glitters entering the eyes. It's like liquid glitter. So yeah. You guys already know that blush is my favorite part of makeup. I apply it everywhere. If I can apply blush as powder, I would. Love it. Love to see it. Highlighter or like make a tear duct pop, so I put a highlighter from Nuban Beauty. Guys, applying lipstick is art. Like, it is art on its own. Obviously I've changed some techniques now. I blend my lipstick, especially if I'm doing like an ombre. I blend it out with a buffing brush now, an eyeshadow brush. But then this technique still works. It just takes longer. So now I'm just lining my lips. I went in with Ellery pencil by ColourPop. That's one of my best wine pencils. It is mad. So after lining it, I went in with a darker, like a cranberry or a wine, not cranberry, a wine lipstick. I can't remember the shade, but this exact shade is, you can get it from BM Pro in Chai. That's the same color. I don't know if that was what I was using here though, but okay. So I went in with the pink lipstick in the center as ombre, and then I blended it out with the same lip brush. I don't do that anymore. I blend it out with an eyeshadow brush now because it's easier, but you can still do this. It's longer and harder to blend, especially if the first color you outlined with has dried. So watch my more recent videos, my tutorial. You'll see how I do the lips now, but this is also still valid if you have the patience to really blend. So you gotta blend.
Didn't want to leave your arms, but I feel like you wouldn't. You left my soul to starve. I don't believe I'm the one. Ooh, I can't show that I'm hurting. You can't know that I'm worried. I gave up in a hurry just to know I'm safe. Love is a fire and I'm burning. You were the flame.
Just doing the finishing touches. This makeup tutorial is actually pretty straightforward. I hope you guys like it. If you want me to go back to filming makeup tutorials, because I have actually stopped for a while, I really want to film more things now, so please let me know. I miss filming makeup tutorials on models. Like, oh, see how beautiful she looks. I can't remember the lashes I used, but she looks stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I think Gele by Maria tied the Gele. I would confirm, and then I'll put all the vendors list. Goldiva Ashoke made the Ashoke, and the jewelry is by Luidio. I'm going to leave all their tags in the comment section, so you guys should please check it. Not comment section, in the description box, so please check it out. I love you guys. Bye, kisses, peace out.
Àtọ́bàjà yẹsẹ́ ẹkùn ọkọ̀ fàárà o.